We're going to install a Audi. This is an Audi S4. This is under tray. It should fit the B4, no, the B8 and the B8.5 for the A4 and the S4. So do a quick little run through of how this works. A few simple details. We are going to start with these side wings and how that's going to work. They're mirror images of each other. One goes to the left, one goes to the right. Now you can break that down. You take it like this. This part, the flat line, is going to go towards the inside, and the curvature is going to go towards this side. So this is going to be your driver's side, and then it'll slide underneath like this. Before we do that, though, there's a couple quick things we're going to do. We're going to take these M6 U-nuts, and that's going to sit here like this. These U-nuts are going to attach like this, with a bolt hole down and the nipple up. This is going to slide underneath, and then we'll slide it back to put all these bolts in the correct locations, and we're going to repeat for the other side. So now that we've got the wings in place, and you're going to use, there's going to be 4 on each side, and then these 2 U-nuts. Those are going to be used for each side. These are using the T25 Torx bit to put these in. You're going to put them in just a couple of turns, and then you'll hand tighten everything down once everything is in place. So those first. Next step will be take the front panel, and you're going to take this sticker. You can put that on your windshield so you can see really well. And then this is going to slide underneath. Start with the back bolts here just to hold it in place for you. Once that's in place, you shouldn't have to do too much. I'm sure most people don't have a lift that they can do this on, but it's not too difficult on your back either. Again, we're just going to put these in place temporarily. And these ones we're going to take off in just a second here when we do the rear. So you're going to get those in place. These again are T25s. There's going to be 2 bolt holes on the side right here. And these are going to use these M6 bolts. Those are going to lock into those U-nuts that we installed earlier on the wings. Again, just a couple turns. And then, again, we're going to tighten everything down after everything's done. So those first. Next, we're going to do this. And then we have these bolts along the front we'll do here last. So start here. We have to shouldn't put all 3 of them in. There's no reason to put all 3 of them in. Just the center one works. This part's a little more difficult because you got to hold it in place while getting that screw started. All right, and then we'll go back to the back, hold this up. For the S4, we'll have a notation here we'll have to add onto the website because it does fit a little tighter on the S4 than it does for the A4. So what we're going to do is we're going to have some small spacers here to space this out just a tiny bit. We might have to provide some longer bolts as well. It will work just as it is. If you tighten it down, it will just deform it slightly. but it's going to hold it tight against the frame, so even without the spacers, it won't make a difference at all. And then again, last couple of bolts here, and we're just going to tighten everything up. So that's pretty much it. It's only gonna take about 15 or 20 minutes probably. You probably won't be sweating like me, hopefully. It's not that it's hard work, it's just hot. But as you can see, fully done. You're not gonna have any rattles, you shouldn't. If there's any rattles, double check and tighten your bolts, and should be good. You will have the access to the oil drain plug right here with a single bolt. So if you take out this one bolt, the door will flap away, and boom, there's your drain plug right there. So, any questions, certainly hit us up, but it's a direct install. Easy guys. All right, have a good day.